Hello everybody, how are you all doing today? I literally just got finished giving myself a dry tattoo treatment on my forehead, my entire forehead. When you're doing a treatment, I usually just do, sometimes I just poke my furrow lines, but it's the entire area that, you know, can develop lines. I literally I went ahead and numbed it with this. You can order it offline. It is the best numbing cream that I have ever used so far, because I actually I've been doing this for quite a while. I even did in the spaces where my hairline was receding. If you have not watched my videos, alopecia does run in my family. So this is like really, this is good for me. You know, I've been able to keep my hair so far. I mean, of course I'm getting older, my hair is gonna thin. But it's what it is, you know, that's life. But now, I'm just putting this A&D cream on it. This is anti-chafing ointment. It got vitamin D. It nourishes the skin. This is really good. I actually use this when I do derma rolling on my stretch marks, in which they are going away, and I'm happy. I'm also, of course, I've lost probably around 25 pounds, and I actually lost a little bit more because I think I might be in the 170s now. But we're gonna keep going. But I wanted to go ahead and explain this procedure that I just did on myself. This is the basically the tattoo gun that I used, and this was the needle. I couldn't show it on camera what I did because of the dark pink stuff that comes out of our skin when we bruise it or puncture it, and I didn't want to get demonetized. But yeah, I literally just did all of this. So every 6 weeks I decided I'm going to do something, whether it's get a peel for my entire face, or if I just do this or maybe alternate. That's a good way to do stuff like this, because you don't want to just stick to the same thing. You want to hit it at different angles. I do, however, like I said, I still take my my vitamins. My hair is still strong. I got a big forehead though. But if you're wondering why I cut my dreads off, I cut my dreads off because I didn't like the size anymore, and it was getting, they was okay, but it was getting a little too long, and it was real skinny too. I don't know. I think I want them a little bigger, so I will be having my dreads again, but they're gonna be a lot thicker. Yeah, but went ahead and did that. And when I was when I had numbed it with this, you wash this, clean this area, put this on, and then put a plastic wrap on it and let it sit for like an hour. And now it is numb. I barely felt any of this, and this is what I do. I'm 43 years old. As you can see, this line is trying to come back in, but like that, once again, my lines in my face go away and come back because I'm getting older, but they leave because of what I'm doing. Do drink a lot of water. That's gonna make you go to the bathroom a lot, you know, but oh well, it is what it is. But thank you very much for watching, and if you want to stay tuned on my wellness journey, just come see me again. Thanks for watching. Bye.